In this video, I'm going to talk about idempotent law. It is another important logical equivalence. After I have discussed about the idempotent law, we prove it with the help of truth table. The idempotent law is P or P is equivalent to P. P and P is equivalent to P. For the first equivalence, let truth value for P is true, then P or P is true. The rules of disjunction says that if one statement is true in a compound preposition, the truth value of compound preposition is true. So both sides we have true and equivalence is true. If P is false, the compound preposition is false since both statement is false, which is equivalent to false. Therefore, the equivalence is correct. If P is true for the second equivalence, and because it is a conjunction, the output is true. When both statement is true, a conjunction is true. Therefore, we have true on both sides. The equivalence holds. When P is false, everything is false and equivalence is valid. Suppose we translate idempotent law into English. Let P be a statement, I am sleeping, then I am sleeping or I am sleeping is the compound statement, is same as I am sleeping. We got only one choice, which can be either true or false. The second equivalence is using conjunction, which is true when both the variables are true, otherwise it is false. So P and P becomes I am sleeping and I am sleeping, and it is true and same as I am sleeping. This is when P is true. If P is false, then P and P is false, and we have false on both sides. However, the equivalence is valid. To prove that the idempotent law is correct, we will construct the truth table. Since P is the only variable, total number of rows in the truth table is going to be 2 raised to 1 equals to 2. So let me draw the table first, and I pause for a few seconds while I do that. The columns are P or P and P and P. Enter values for each columns one by one. All the columns are same, and this tell that the equivalence idempotent law is valid. You note that the behavior of disjunction and conjunction is same when truth value of variable is same.